GMC असले SSP युनिट सबंद एशियाक ना, गोंयांत ते नंबर 1 आसा। हे हॉस्पिटल व्यवस्थित मॅनेज केले म्हणत सांताक्रूजचो आदलो आमदार टॉनी फेर्नांडीसान डॉक्टर बांदेकाराचे अभिनंदन केले। नर्सी आनी हेर स्टाफांची तोखणाय केली। दोतोरा खातीर विधानसभेत खाशेले रेझोल्यूशन पास करचे अशेंय ताणें मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंता कडेन मागले। गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीत आयज संवसारीक दोतोर दीस मनयलो। हॉस्पिटलात उपचार घेवपी टोनी फेर्नांडीसान हे निमित्त साधून दोतोरांच्या कश्टांची दखल घेतली। दोतोर कबाड कश्ट करून दोतोर जातात आनी मनीस कितलोय व्हड जावं निमणे ताका दोतोराचो हात लागताच अशा उतरांनी टोनीन दोतोरांच्या कामाची तोखणाय केली। आयकात।
I like to congratulate for your service. We know each other when you are a GR. पण आयज जे कितें चकचकता GMC न्हू ते फकत तुज्या खातीर तुज्या डावन लायन्सा खातीर सगळ्यांचें नांव घेयना तशेंच आमच्या HMच्या खातीर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीचा एंड ऑफकोर्स आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट माय फ्रेंड डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हू इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा हू इज ऑल्सो ही इज ए डॉक्टर एंड ह्याच माध्यमांतल्यान हांव मागतां की दोतोर तूं जाणाय दोतोर जावपाक कितले त्रास पडटा पळय तेन्ना ह्या त्रासांतल्यानूय वयर सरल्या त्रास काडटा आनी मोरसोर तेणी शिकोवप काबार जायना ना डॉक्टर विद्या मागीर दोतोर आमचो चंद्रकांत शेटये आनी तुवें ह्या दोतोरा पासत कितें तरी असेंब्लीन एक रेझोल्यूशन हाडपाक जाय आनी हो दीस दोतोरांचो दीस एक जावन आसा एक रिमार्केबल मेमोरेबल करून दवरूंक जाय तेज्या फाटल्यान कारण आसा कित्याक मनीस खंय पावूं कितलोय नाचो संवसारान वता तेन्ना तेंचो हात लायल्या बगर चडसो लोक वयर वचना आनी आयज इतलें म्हाका बरें दिसता जावं ते ऑर्थो डिपार्टमेंट जावं ते मेडिसीन डिपार्टमेंट जावं ते गायनेक जावं ते नेफ्रोलॉजी हार्ट डिपार्टमेंट हार्टाची कार्डियक डिपार्टमेंट कसली फूट केअर असेंब्लीन बोबाट मारली हांवें दोतोरान फूट केअर युनिट हाडलो सी असली डिपार्टमेंट आनी ओली सगळी आनी सारकें 5 स्टार हॉस्पिटल SSP आमचे केल्ल्या सबंद एशियाक असले ना आयज वी आर टॉप इन एशिया एंड दीस इज मॅनेज बाय डॉक्टर बांदेकर आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट यू फ्रॉम माय हार्ट एंड द स्टाफ ऑफ यू नर्सेस योर डॉक्टर्स एंड MTS, everybody, we have kept you in line, although you have a very busy schedule. I don't know how you manage 3 posts, but God has given you will and power to save Amcha Goenkar and to save the people of our India. देव बरें करून दिता.
आजाक बरें दिसलें कित्याक टोनीचे एसोसिएशन with Goa Medical College is for ages. What he says, what he speaks from the heart. And that is why it is all truth. I don't want to debate on that, but I would say I can work only if I am with my team. So this credit of wonderful hospital and its services goes to all my teammates, team members, my matron, my other doctor colleagues and the nurses, MTS staff and everybody who always with a smile when I request them, they come with me and they have done a lot of work. I cannot forget the cooperation during COVID times when it was like a war zone. And today, I'm happy that this hospital can deliver the best. And the theme of this year's National Doctors Day is to relieve the people who are suffering. And we're going to do it in a big way. Thank you.
Dr. Avinash Anand, cancer surgeon. Dr. Vikas Gadich, orthopedic surgeon. And Dr. Ralph Arujo, medical manager. ही जी टीम आसा मुझे फाटल्यान जी मेडिकल टीम आसा मुझे फाटल्यान जे ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा जो ग्रुप आसा टू मेक दिस सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट यू नीड गुड पीपल यू नीड गुड सपोर्ट आई वुड रियली लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट एंड थैंक दिस मेडिकल ग्रुप मेडिकल टीम आई वुड लाइक एवरीवन टू गिव देम अ बिग हैंड विदाउट दिस टीम विदाउट दिस ग्रुप दिस ड्रीम वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल टुडे आणि आजचो जो दीस 1st of July is National Doctors Day. All doctors all over the world कोविडान मुखार रावून झुजले आणि मुखार रावून झुजोन जे उरल्यात ते आमी जे कोणाच्यान कोविड फाईट करू जावंक ना ते आज नात आणि आमी आज उरल्यात आणि म्हाका दिसता वी नीड टू विश ऑल द डॉक्टर्स प्रेझेंट हियर wish all the doctors of Goa, wish all the doctors of the world a very happy Doctors' Day. Let us give them a big hand for their contribution towards this day, towards COVID and towards the years to come.
We thank all the doctors today for your service and especially for giving your service to this clinic. आज ये clinic तुमका सोपतना म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता कित्याक this is a very special clinic for two reasons. पहिले reason म्हटल्यार this is a model of mohalla clinic जे आज दिल्लीनूच न्ही देशानूच न्ही पूण सबन जगान हे आम आदमी पार्टीचे मोहल्ला क्लिनिक फामाद जाल्ले आसा. वर्ल्ड फेमस मोहल्ला क्लिनिक ताजो एक मॉडेल तुमचे MLA बाब वेंझीन तुमकां हांगा बडलकरांक दिल्लो आसा. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी स्पेशल क्लिनिक आनी हांव मागता की असले आनीकूय क्लिनिक बाकीच्या गावांत जातले.
कोई MLA ऑपोजिशन में रहते हुए अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में एक बढ़िया सा क्लिनिक अपने लोगों के लिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट करे. आई थिंक that is for the very first time. And even Delhi, our high command, respected Arvind Kejriwal ji, Sandeep Pathak ji, Sanjay Singh ji, Raghav Chadda ji and all, everyone, they have taken a very, very note of this thing that Mr. Venzi, Captain Venzi has started this and we are thankful and I would like to give him this bouquet and thank him. All the very best, sir.
Start by refreshing everyone's memory. I don't know if you still remember, but during my election, when I was campaigning, when Venzi was with me, we made a promise that we will see that in Benaulim constituency, we will open up a Mohalla clinic. And today is the day where Venzi and the Aam Aadmi Party has fulfilled this promise. This shows without being in power, things can be done and we will do it.
You go wherever, not many places have this kind of facilities for their own people. So this is something which all our own people should utilize it completely. And the clinic is in a great, it has got great facilities and a doctor will be available from morning till evening. A nurse will be available. A lot of times what happens is whenever we have any small medical problem, a lot of people go to the medical shop without getting, they treat their own selves. They buy medicines without a prescription and that's where things starts going in a wrong way. So when we have such a facility, always consult your doctor, get your condition diagnosed and take the right treatment. Taking the right treatment always helps you in curing the disease very fast. So that is one very important thing. And also we are making sure that a specialist will be available at all times. Any sort of problem like a chest pain or a body pain, we have facilities for a specialist to come once in a month or maybe once in a week also to come and visit the patients and take care of all the patients' general health problems. So this is a great initiative and it's a great day that is a Doctor's Day. So it's a very important day and I would like
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिग्स, रमेश नायक राव, श्वेता गांवकर आनी संगीता ओली.